Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to separate an image to do layer vinyl in the Silhouette program. I know that it's a lot of the same technique, whether it's Silhouette or Cricut. I only have Silhouette, so that's what we're looking at right now. I have the Silhouette Business Edition, so I don't know if that's going to decipher how you do it. When you're getting ready to wanting to layer vinyl, you're going to separate your colors into your printer or into your computer so that your printer, when you go to print, you can print the separate colors that you need. So all you're going to do is you're going to come into wherever you keep your images and however you do it. I think right now I'll do the Arial SVG. You need to make sure that it's an SVG. That one's already separated. Hang on, guys. It's good that you guys see me kind of floundering a little bit here. You want to make sure that's an SVG because that's what you're going to use to separate your colors. It doesn't usually work with any other thing like PNG or any of that. It has to be an SVG so that you can separate all the different colors that are in it. So first I'm going to make my pad a 12 by 12 into my computer. You want to make sure that you measure your cup to whatever it is and size your image to what you want. Right now I have it at a 5.245 and a 5.164. That fits on most 20 ounces so that it's a large image that you're having on there. So what you do is you're going to click on it and left click. You're going to scroll down to ungroup. You're going to click off of it. And at this point, you can separate your different layered colors. It will separate all together, so you don't have to really stress about making sure that you're getting all the colors into one bulk. It will all separate for you. The easiest thing that I have found is once you put this white on your white pad, it's going to completely disappear. So what I do is I change it to a color that I know that's not in this particular design. So for this one, I'm going to use yellow. That way I don't lose their eyeballs or whatever is white in that instance. Once you've separated all your colors, at that point you can move them out of your way, line it up on your paper to how you want to cut it, go over to your send image, and then cut it however you want to. I'm not cutting right now. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. It will line it up for you. You don't have to trace image or any of that. You shouldn't have any issues at that point. You can move it however you want, and you can change out the colors as you go. I always start with black because that is the base that you're going to be working with. So I start with the black first. I print that. Then I work my way through the colors from red, dark blue, gray, pink, so on and so forth. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, but I just wanted to do a short little tutorial to show you guys how to be able to cut and print layered vinyl, because my next video I will be posting, I'll be layering vinyl onto the cup of multiple colors. So, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I will happily answer. Bye.